Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Miffy here. So today I'm gonna show you my KAKAO store haul that I bought recently, and I can't wait to show you what I got. So I did actually go a little bit overboard with this haul because now they have like their summer sale on and it's 40% off popular items. So I'm assuming that everything on their website is 40% off. So if you're not on there now, I suggest you check it out. There's still a lot of things that you can get. So because of their 40% summer sale, I just took advantage and bought the things that I wanted for so long. So let's go ahead and just start this haul. The first item that I got is this phone case. I've been wanting a phone case for the longest time ever, and finally I've got one because of this 40% summer sale that is currently going on. And the phone case that I have right now is just a plain and clear simple one, nothing too fancy. But the reason why I bought this one is because it's part of the baby dreaming collection, and I like how there's like all the KAKAO Friends just like on this cloud and rainbow, and I just love the colours. I just love it just being so pastel. So I'll definitely use this for my phone right now. I just want to see how this looks like on my phone, so I'm just literally gonna open it right now because I can't even wait. I literally can't wait what it looks like on my phone, so I'm just gonna open this right now and put this on my phone. I just really want to see how it looks like. So this is the case. It's so cute. So it's kind of like a hard case. I thought it would be like more of a soft case, but I don't know, it would be hard. Maybe I just didn't really look at the material before I bought it. So that's my phone here. So I'm just gonna put this in. Hopefully it should fit. It's kind of tight when it goes in. It looks, yeah, that's how it looks like. It's really cute. Oh my god, it's pretty. It's a little bit heavy actually. Like my phone just feels heavy, but now it feels like super sturdy now. With this, like it's just covered on the edges of my phone. It's actually nice. So the second item that I got is this a peach headband. It's super cute and it has this like blue elephant at the top. It's like quite soft and squishy. So I actually wanted a Ryan headband, but that literally sold out. Like I was kind of disappointed when I didn't have that anymore, but I settled for this because it's just as cute. And yeah, Ryan is like my favourite KAKAO friend character of all of them. But I think my aim is just trying to get everything that is just Ryan in a way. But it's just cute. The reason why I got this is because like whenever I wash my face, my hair just tends to like get into my face and I don't want my hair to get wet. So this is just a really good way of preventing that happening. So I'm gonna try this on. I just need to be really careful because I have makeup on. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. So I'm just gonna do like this. See how it looks like. So it kind of looks like this. Well, excuse my messy hair. Well, it kind of looks like this on my head, but I haven't done it properly. So it looks really cute. So this is what it just looked like on my hair. The reason why I'm not putting it right here is because I have makeup on. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty cute. It's really comfortable, and the good thing about this is that it's kind of big on the headband because most headbands that I get are kind of small for my actual head. And it literally gives me like a bit of a migraine. So the third item that I got is this Ryan silicone mood lamp light. The reason why I got this is because I actually don't own a lamp in my room, so I decided to get this as an alternative because it's not that bright and you just charge it with a normal USB and just power it up. So it's quite convenient, and if you don't charge it with the USB, you can last for like a few hours anyways. So that's a plus for me, and I like how it's just, you can control this lamp by just touching it. So if you press it once, you can just control the intensity of the light. So there's like 3 touch modes, I believe. So the last item that I got is this Ryan humidifier. It's really big. I wanted this humidifier for such a long time, but the reason why I didn't get it because it was so expensive, and to be honest I didn't know if I really wanted it, so because of this I had the opportunity to buy this. Isn't it so cute? Oh my gosh, that's cute. Yeah, so basically like it has 3 settings on this humidifier. You can see I controlled the mist of how low or high you want the mist to be. So this one is different because on the website they had this smaller humidifier, but this one's different because the bigger ones you can put essential oils in these, but the smaller ones you can't. So this is the reason why I got this one. So if I open this lid, it just looks like this. So you would basically put water at the max line and then you just drop a few oils in here, then you put this lid back on, and then you would actually switch this on as well because well, you can't really use it without it being plugged up at the main. But I hope to use this when the weather literally gets a bit cooler, because now in the UK it's so humid, it's so hot. Right now I'm sweating so much right now, like you can't see me sweating, but I'm boiling hot right now. The reason why I want to invest in a humidifier is I feel like it would just help to clean out the air in my room, and I feel like it will freshen up my room if I did use essential oils. So that's partly the reason why I got a humidifier, and finally I have one now, so that's all good. That's it for my haul, guys. I hope you liked this video and thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video, and I will put down the links to the products that are in the box below. But take care and I will see you next time.